Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, public awareness is, do you all know COVID 19 plagued medical teams of United States of America as of January 2021 are addressed as medical providers, are from accredited medical school, are slaves, absolute slaves to Vatican, Satan, Republica, Holocaust Nazism creator, Pope Francis? I already conveyed all nations will only puke, being aware of scandal of Vatican in layers, in versions, in variations. So, when medical providers of United States of America went to accredited any of the accredited medical school, signed alcohol, absolute deadliest toxic brain damage drug is healthiest, how on the earth can foolish medical providers of any medical school, as in Harvard Medical School of United States of America or Oxford Medical School of London, etc., can even shamefully provide scandal of COVID-19 scandal of Vatican? Uh, so I leave the choice for the civilians to get the correct answers. I know the correct answer, and I leave it as is. Did education fail humanity, or did medical school slaves of Pope Francis fail humanity and destroyed humanity? So again, I leave the choice for the civilians to get the correct answers, for I know the correct answers and I leave it as is. Yes, my dears, COVID 19 is another $1 trillion scandal of Vatican as a standalone crime, and I will explain about that scandal later in detail. I already conveyed each crime is standalone and must be counted separated. So I am layman civil, true civil doctor, never went to medical school, displayed with proof as of January 2021 there are never doctors yet in USA nation, and year is already 2021 and it is the saddest reality. And I alone can step in, lead, and guide entire medical services worldwide. When I said USA nation is happiest nation in earth as of January 2021, when being handcuffed by I am that I am, it is for a reason. Got it? And I was not joking. And I have proof of all scandals of Vatican. I alone can bail out entire medical services worldwide. President Trump and President elect Joe Biden of USA will thank me infinite later, for I am displaying scandal of Vatican with absolute bulletproof, fireproof, proof of scandal of Vatican. So I must be should be Chief of Police General to lead entire police teams of USA and all nations worldwide, and FBI teams, and to lead FBI teams, and to lead CIA teams, and to lead any national intelligence teams, and to lead the military of all nations, and to lead the Pentagon military, and to lead the Army, Navy, Marine, Navy SEALs of each national military services worldwide, across the globe. As of now, USA nation is a powerful nation. As of today, as of January 2021, just because of I am that I am, absolute rock anchored in oceans. Okay, and USA just wanted I am that I am now to lead USA, because I am the toughest of all. Toughest is wisdom, and I am excellent leader and can guide USA national rightful way with excellent governance, and USA will thank me infinite later and will be glad that I stepped in abruptly out of nowhere when USA nation is in absolute crisis and started to lead and guide USA in the rightful way. And that is what a soldier of God will do. And I am soldier of God, born to save all the nations, born to restore humanity. Okay. Public awareness and birthrights. Do you all know alcohol of any type damages human brains, nerves? Do you all know nations must should never have any alcohol of any types of January as of January 2021? So it is deadliest crime for a nation to have alcohol. So civil justice must be served now. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, it is deadliest venom Satan, absolute monarchs, Pope Francis, God of USA, and Queen of England Elizabeth II only created deadliest, lethal, illegal, toxic drug, alcohol, the brain damaged drug to destroy brain nerves of innocent civilians worldwide daily, and it is $1 trillion, I would say 1,000 years old scandal forced to damage human brains on purpose. So, to meet the scandal abuse code law of Vatican. Okay, so civil justice must be served now. It can help when USA government provides immediate salary using direct deposit process. For I am displaying all scandal of Vatican. I hope you're happiest on being educated with wisdom of birthrights with my healthy humane standard wisdom process. I am aware USA nation is the happiest nation in earth as of January 2021 is wisdom. Please do not feel I am repeating just because just be aware in civil justice jurisdiction process. Each crime is counted and accumulated for sign of closure to provide civil justice. So each proof is different and unique and distinct and deadliest crime as a standalone. And I have to testify the scandal of Vatican with proof is a healthy civil justice process is wisdom. Then I want to provide another proof of scandal of Vatican teams to USA government that Satan, absolute monarchs, Lucifer, Antichrist, Pope Francis only created deadliest brain damage, toxic drug, alcohol, and innocent civilians are tortured worldwide daily, and civil justice must be served. So I proved there are never doctors yet in United States of America as of January 2021, and it is the saddest reality because it is the educated medical providers from accredited either Harvard Medical School or any other accredited medical school in United States or in London or Europe only signed alcohol brain damage drug is healthiest. So I am true civil layman, true civil doctor who never went to medical school, and I am aware what is disease and what is never disease, and I alone can bail out all medical providers population worldwide. So I must be, should be Chief Global Medical Director worldwide to oversee the medical services of each nation and also lead and guide World Health Organization and also to lead and guide Center for Disease Control Services and welfare of human services of USA and all 50 states of USA and all nations is because I alone in entire human kingdom is aware what is disease and what is never disease, and that is the basic eligibility for a Supreme Civil Chief Medical Director. All nations will be happiest when I am medical director guiding all nations in wisdom ways. So United States of America must provide me the doctorate title for public mental health service provider, and I can lead medical services worldwide in all nations. Okay, and I must be chief of medical director of worldwide medical services across the globe. And yes, Dr. Fauci, and I am absolutely positive that I am pronouncing the doctor's name correctly, and Dr. Brinks, COVID-19 medical team advisors must resign immediate is the healthiest bailout process I can provide as a true civil doctor, chief civil doctor. And Dr. Fauci and Dr. Briggs should pay at least tax-free $1 billion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans for signed brain damage poison alcohol is healthiest when being educated from accredited medical school. So I don't know what accredited medical schools are teaching the civilians. However, when the doctors sign the alcohol, the brain damage drug is healthiest, that displays the accredited medical schools worldwide has destroyed the basic humanity worldwide, and the civil justice must be served. So doctors do not have any birthright to sign off poison, alcohol, brain damage drug is healthiest, is wisdom. And Dr. Fauci and Dr. Briggs, the COVID-19 medical advisors team of United States of America, failed in doctor job, being always human job, failed in being always human job with fatal negligence, and being slaves to Vatican Republica Jesuits leader Pope Francis. So, and Pope Francis is a Satan, right? So, when Pope Francis is a Satan, doctors being slaves to Satan displays what? I leave that choice for the civilians to decide to get the correct answers, okay? And I know the correct answers, and let's leave it as is mode. So each department of health services for each nation across the globe, and each hospital, each emergency clinic, urgent care facility in each nation worldwide should pay tax-free $500 billion to each civilian worldwide for I am displaying scandals of Vatican with proof to the USA government in ongoing civil jurisdiction process as of January 2021. So it can help me when USA government provides me financial aid for I displayed all USA government errors, scandals of Vatican in layers, when USA government provides salary direct deposit process effective immediate using healthy standards to help me immediate for I am in absolute finance crisis, okay? And it is the USA government's job to provide that finance and help me with that finance stable process. And also when USA signs of customized job offer, I ask for with salary of 250K per annum for next 5 years and beyond. I can quit early when I finish provide excellent patented design solutions. So I must get all authority above absolute monarchs, and I must be leader of Vatican leader, and I must be supreme civil chief judge of USA, and I must be supreme chief civil doctor to lead the entire medical services worldwide across the globe, and to lead the World Health Organization, and to lead the Center of Disease Control Services headquartered in USA, and I must be the interim leader of USA, and President Trump must resign now is highest honor any president can get. So President-elect Joe Biden must silently back off providing a pathway for me to lead and guide USA. I can provide organization structure later using ethical standards. President Trump and President-elect Joe Biden will thank me infinite later. And public awareness, do you all know that Center for Disease Control and World Health Organization is already handcuffed mode by me as of January 2021, and that is the wisdom, okay? Just be aware of that. Then the public awareness and breaking news tips proof is deadliest Satan Pope Francis only created poison, brain damage, lethal toxic drug, alcohol across all the nations to destroy human brains worldwide daily forever. So civil justice must be served. And as of January 2021, Pope Francis only created toxic, poison, alcohol, brain damage drug, and civil justice must be served. Um, I alone can bail out USA and all nations and entire medical services world. Okay, and I am native Indian tribe, and I only decide who gets to stay in the earth and who gets out of the earth now. Each nation in earth belongs to me only. And so USA nation is in bailout process, civil process as of January 2021. So handcuffed, USA must should do the task I asked for without asking me any question is the wisdom process. So as of now, because the medical services of USA signed alcohol is the healthiest drug, I want USA to lay off or have the Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brains, the COVID 19 medical advisors team, to resign immediately. And that way, at least I can waive that 500 tax-free $1 billion penalty for them, for the medical services team. And I become the medical chief director to lead the entire medical services worldwide, and that is the healthy civil justice process served to me. And then the Pope Francis Satan must resign now, and I become the I should be the Vatican leader now, and I should be the supreme chief civil judge of USA now, and all nations. And then handcuffed USA nation must provide the task I ask for immediate is wisdom team process. Okay, and the medical services team of COVID-19 uh, uh, advisors, medical advisors, do not have to feel oh no, being laid off like that. Okay, so I do not want Dr. Fauci or Dr. Branch to feel shame, any shame of being going to resign, or getting laid off like that. It's all for good, and I will provide all the healthy guidance later. So just do the task, get either option is get resigned, or just get laid off, and that is the healthy process Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks can do as of now. And I'm providing all healthy human standards process as a team process, as a true friend and a true guardian angel. I'm guiding USA nation in a healthy way, and I am born to save the world. So public awareness on birth rights. Do you all know nations must should never have any alcohol of any types and avatars, as in Holocaust Nazi services. So when a nation have any avatar of alcohol types worldwide, and at least one medical services population from accredited medical schools signed alcohol as healthiest, and at least one pharmaceutical drug makers, drug dealers, as in Bayers or BASF or Pfizer or Merck or Monsanto, or any agricultural services or any grocery services, and at least one retails as in Walmart or Costco or Target or Sam's Club, or any grocery or any pharmacy retails as in Walgreens or CVS Pharmacy sells alcohol classified as lethal toxic brain damage drug and signed as healthiest by foolish nation anywhere in holy planet earth, with pharmaceutical drug dealers and worldwide to create lethal toxic alcohol drug programs as of January 2021. That nation is disqualified to be nation enough to be sealed and shut down, effective now for classified human endangered nation. That said, do you all know as of now, January 2021, why United States of America is at fault and found guilty in all counts of deadliest crimes of Vatican, and USA got curse of scandal of Vatican, and United States of America nation is handcuffed to be sealed and shut down for with fatal negligence, having deadly zero tolerance, alcohol, brain damage drug, a Holocaust Nazism, scandal of Vatican process. Do you all know all nations worldwide across the globe is handcuffed mode as of January 2021? So I alone in entire human kingdom can bail out USA, and all nations nobody can. So public awareness on birthright is proof that Satan alliance, Lucifer alliance, Antichrist alliance, Republica, Venom, Holocaust, Nazi, Hell Creator, Vatican, Hell Creator, Jesuits, Leader, Holy Highness, Perfect Human God of USA, Pope Francis only created, lethal, toxic, brain damage, alcohol, drug, illegal drug, Nazism, Holocaust, hell mandate process worldwide, lifetime scars to destroy human brains with alcohol for innocent civilians worldwide as a process of Roman Egypt crucifixion, slow torture to death, Holocaust, Nazism process model. So, deadliest zero tolerance crime in earth. So, civil justice must be served. So, evil, deadliest. Satan, Lucifer, Antichrist, Islam, Judaism, communist, atheist, paganist, Queen of England, only created, zero tolerance, Roman Empire, crucifixion type, lethal, toxic, alcohol, brain damage, poison, to destroy the brain nerves of civilians worldwide, and civil justice must be served. And then all phases of Pope Francis worldwide across the globe are Islam leaders, fake Israel leader, and Dalai Lamas, Guru Nanaks, and yoga gurus, human gods of all nations worldwide only created, zero tolerance, poison, deadliest poison, alcohol, brain damage, illegal, toxic, lethal drugs, and civil justice must be served. So, civil justice as of January 2021 is Pope Francis created Roman Empire crucifixion type poison, alcohol, brain damage, drug, toxic drug crucifixion types enforced to innocent humans daily in different avatars and different forms. So Pope Francis must resign now abruptly and must get ready for death penalty in Lake of Fire in volcano in Hawaii. And Pope Francis must pay tax-free $50,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. And Pope Francis must resign now, and I must become Vatican leader now, and I must be the supreme chief civil judge for USA and all nations to lead justice services, and I also must be the global medical director, um, uh, public mental health service provider for across all nations worldwide to lead and guide the entire medical services team, and also to lead the World Health Organization, and also to lead and guide Center for Disease Organization worldwide. And Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, is Wisdom Process, and all nations will thank me infinite later. Then Satan, Queen of England, Elizabeth II only created Roman Empire, crucifixion type, poison, alcohol, brain damage, lethal, illegal drug, and also created illegal drug dealers as in Pfizer, Monsanto, etc. like that, and it is a Holocaust Nazism of Vatican. So Pope Francis must resign now abruptly and must get ready to get into the lake of fire in volcano in Hawaii. Then Queen of England must be dethroned now, and absolute monarch Satan organization must be dissolved now, sealed and shut down for human endangerment now, and all absolute monarchs must resign, and each absolute monarchs must pay tax-free $50,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide. And Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, is Wisdom Process, and all nations will thank me infinite later. So all Islam leaders, fake Israel leader, Dalai Lamas, Guru Nanaks, and yoga gurus, and human guards, and perfect republicans worldwide must resign now and wait for death penalty in Lake of Fire volcano in Hawaii for and must pay $50,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily for all Islam leaders, Dalai Lamas, Guru Nanaks, yoga gurus, human gods of worldwide created Holocaust, Nazism, hell crucifixion type, lethal, toxic, poison, alcohol, brain damage, drug. So Pope Francis must resign now, and I must become Vatican leader now, and I must be Supreme Chief Civil Judge for USA and all nations to lead justice services now. Then I must be the Supreme Chief Medical Global Director to lead the World Health Organization and to lead the Center for Disease Control and to lead the medical services worldwide across the globe in all nations, as a public mental health service provider. And all nations will thank me infinite later. And then the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name. So why absolute monarch Satan's created zero tolerance, poison, brain damage, lethal toxic drug, alcohol to destroy human brain nerves worldwide daily, forever across the globe? It is for tax mandate. Okay, so Queen of England, Pope Francis, teens must drink human blood as form of tax daily, and all enslaved nations worldwide must should feed in rightful dollars of civilians as tax to absolute monarchs daily, and poison, alcohol, brain damage drug to damage the human brain nerves is created, so that way the tax mandate process can be created when disease is created, and the nation can tell to the population, okay, now please pay tax, and also pay tax to get the disease more. So go to grocery or drugstore and gas station or convenience store, pay in dollars and also along with the tax, and get alcohol and get your brain nerves destroyed, and then pay tax for getting disease. So this is a scandal of never ending loop of how to get disease process model, and which is a sub layer of main spider web of the scandal of Vatican. So nations never knew any scandal of Vatican. So I am displaying the detailed level of the scandal of Vatican. So alcohol tax process is one gateway of providing tax, so that the Queen of England can eat or dollars of the civilians in the form of tax. Okay, and so it is the deadliest crime of USA, and that is why at fault, found guilty in all counts, USA nation is handcuffed by me, because a nation do not have any birthright to feed in poison of any form of or avatar. So alcohol is a poison, and USA do not have birthright to feed that poison alcohol to the innocent civilians by fooling them that alcohol is healthiest. So there is more proof of, there are more proofs of scandal of Vatican. So be patient. Okay, I just displayed one of the $1 trillion worth of absolute deadliest crime, because alcohol is a poison drug, and nation is feeding the poison drug to the population is the deadliest crime a nation can even think of in a dream. And sadly, USA nation is a slave to Pope Francis, and with blinded eyes only doing whatever deadliest crime, and being puppets to Pope Francis only. USA doing whatever crime, and sadly got all the curses. Okay, and I am there to protect and save and free the enslaved nations worldwide. So all I'm asking is all the nations to stay calm. Do not worry, I am there, and I can provide all the healthy affordable solutions, and I can save and bail out USA nation and all nations from slavery of dark ages of Roman Empire, deadliest, venomous, poisonous, dangerous Vatican leader, Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist. Okay, so world is ending for good, for I am that I am born to save the world, and whatever in Holy Bible predictions is happening now. Okay, so take care, have a good day, and just be aware that I am there, and I am providing all healthy guidelines in a rightful pathways, and I am already started to lead and guide USA because I am the only eligible to lead USA as of today. Okay, so President Trump will resign or must resign any moment, and that is the highest honor President Trump can get. And President elect Joe Biden will back off silently because both of them prove that they cannot or they can never be leaders of USA. And when I'm leading and guiding USA, I am preventing any further damages that can be done to USA. So I am the only leader that I could, excellent leader that can lead USA, and USA will thank me infinite later for that. And I also want to convey that I used images from online education services, and that is pretty much it for now. And I will provide more proofs of scandal of Vatican. And just be aware, entire medical services world population are absolute slaves to deadliest, venomous, poisonous, antichrist, Satan organization, Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis. Okay, that means medical service providers are absolute slaves and absolute puppets to the Satan Pope Francis. That is the truth, that is the wisdom. So I am displaying all the scandal of Vatican in layers of proof. So USA nation is the happiest nation as of today. Okay, bye for now, have a good day.